Hello, today I am going to discuss the political implication of the unfortunate incident which happened in Lakhimpur Kheri on 3rd of October 2020. In the Lakhimpur Kheri district, there are 8 assembly segments. In 2014 parliament elections, BJP polled very impressively and BJP was able to take lead in 7 out of these 8 assembly segments and BJP polled around 36.2% vote share. Whereas BSP was able to take lead in 1 assembly constituencies and BSP polled around 24.3 percentage vote. Whereas SP and Congress, they were unable to take lead in any of the constituencies and SP polled around 17.3 percentage and Congress polled around 16.9 percentage vote share. So please note, the vote share between SP and Congress was not very, there was not big difference in terms of vote share. In 2017 assembly elections, BJP was able to win all 8 assembly constituencies from this Lakhimpur Kheri district and BJP polled very impressively around 46.3 percentage vote share. Whereas SP, BSP and Congress, they are unable to win a single seat. SP and Congress fought in alliance and BSP fought separately. So SP polled around 22.7 percentage vote share, whereas BSP polled 20.4 percentage vote share and Congress polled 5.9 percentage vote share. Again in 2019 parliament election, BJP was able to take lead in all 8 assembly segments and BJP polled very impressively 51% vote share. That time SP and BSP, they fought in alliance. SP polled around 22% vote share and BSP polled around 12% vote share and Congress, who fought alone, Congress was able to poll around 10.7 percentage vote share. So what we can understand that in the Lakhimpur Kheri district, BJP is very strong in terms of last 3 major elections. And Congress polled impressively, means with compared to the state average, Congress polled better in 2014 parliament election and as well as in 2019 parliament elections. So let us understand the demography of this district. In the Lakhimpur Kheri district, the Muslim population is around 20%. The Sikh population is around 2.35 percentage. The SC population is around 26 percentage and the ST population is around close to 1.6 percentage. So among the SC community, the Jatab and Pasis, they are in majority. So if you look at the general caste Hindu population, general caste and OBC, altogether the Hindu population is close to 50%. So what was happening in 2014 to 2019, BJP was able to garner a good section of Brahmin vote, good section of Kurmi vote and as well as the Pasi vote and the Sikh vote. So that was making BJP a formidable party in this district and BJP was performing extraordinarily good in this district. So in this district, the Brahmin and Kurmis are also in very significant numbers. So now, if I look at the demography from other dimension, so there are 80% people who are staying in rural parts of the Lakhimpur Kheri district and 20% people, so they are staying in the urban area. So in the rural parts, the people whoever are staying, so they are actually involved directly or indirectly with the sugarcane cultivation. Now sugarcane is the major agriculture crop in this district. Now what happened to sugarcane price? So when Mr. Yogi Adityanath ji came to power in 2017, the SAP price, that means the sugarcane price was increased by 10 rupees per quintal. In the next 3 years, so there was no increase in the price and recently in the September 2020, the sugarcane price was increased by 25 rupees per quintal. So in last 5 years, the sugarcane price was increased by 35 rupees per quintal. That means in every year, average the price increased is only 7 rupees per quintal, which the sugarcane farmers, they are not happy. On the other hand side, the sugarcane farmers, they sell their sugarcane product to the sugar mills. So there are dues for the farmers from the sugarcane mills. So the farmers was not happy in the present scenario, especially when the price of the essential commodity is going high. So there was a farmer unrest was there, farmers were not happy and this incident also added to the fuel. Now what will happen in the political implications? So we need to understand that we can view it in 2 different ways. One is like the majority of the Sikh communities, they were leading the protest. So the Sikh communities, they have voted very strongly in favor of BJP from 2014 to 2019 in Lakhimpur Kheri district, and not only in the Lakhimpur Kheri district, they also voted very strongly in the neighboring Shahjahanpur district and Pilibhit district as well. So there are also significant Sikh population is there. Now after this incident, the Sikh population may vote little bit anti-BJP. And if we look at the issues of the farmer is common. So along with the Sikh, if some other communities who used to vote for BJP in the last 3 elections, if they also move away, then it is not a good news for the BJP. But at the same time, BJP probably is happy that the opposition vote is always divided between SP, BSP and Congress. So exactly we cannot tell out the exactly political implications of whatever the incident, but we can say little bit that probably the vote share, from the vote share point of view, the vote share of BJP may go down with respect to 2017 or 2019. Keep watching News 9 Live for more updates.